Hello friends, subscribe my channel. You got describe a piece of local news. You should say what it was about, where you saw or hear it, who was involved, why people were interested in it. Let's start. Change to national law and regulation are reported in the media so that everyone is kept up to date. Students may learn a lot from them as well. A learner might use these resources to learn everything there is to know about the history, politics, and current events. It's not unknown for the news to serve just as entertainment, distracting the audience with detail about faraway locations they can't visit and over which they have a little say. The disseminations of the news has a similar effect. Recently, my father and I have been watching a local news station together, and segment we saw was about stock. The explanation that were given in the relations to the illustrations that were shown on the screen were beyond my ability to comprehend them. Therefore, I cautioned my father about the specific of what was being explained and rationale behind it. He explained to me that the graph in the questions were representing the value of the shares and securities, which are primary sources of the equity generations for a variety of the public corporations. To tell you the truth, I did not see it until right after I had finished my super. My grandfather had already finished his portion. I have sneaking suspicion that he ate more quickly than the rest of us, on the purpose since he appeared to be in a hurry to turn on the television. I had completed all of the work for my assignment during the school day, so there was nothing left for me. When I got home, as a result, I became interested in what was going on in the world and followed the news on the television. People that take an interest in the news, such as this, might potentially profit from trading of dust shares, in my opinion. Even though I was too young to fully grasp the meaning of the notion, I was unable to suppress the need to learn more about it and ask questions about it. That random occurrence, which consists of me viewing a segment of news, coincidentally made me aware of the limitation of my knowledge. In addition to vastness of the variety of the fields available in the market, as of right now, one of my primary goals is to pursue higher education in the field of finance.